Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make waffles. First, combine 1½ cups of all-purpose flour with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt to the mixture. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly in a large bowl until they are well combined and lump-free. This ensures an even rise and perfect texture for your waffles. Now let's prepare the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1½ cups of milk, and ½ cup of melted butter. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a delightful aroma and flavor. Gently pour the wet mixture into your dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine. It's time to cook. Preheat your waffle iron to medium-high heat, ensuring it's nice and hot. Lightly grease the iron with cooking spray or a little melted butter to prevent sticking. Pour about 1/3 cup of batter per waffle section, or enough to fill it without overflowing. Close the lid and cook for 3 to 5 minutes, or until your waffles are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crisp. Your delicious homemade waffles are ready. Serve them immediately with your favorite toppings. Fresh berries, warm maple syrup, or a dollop of whipped cream are always fantastic choices. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those amazing leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals. Enjoy your perfect waffles, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.